Hello beautiful people, today is 18th of September 2020 and is the release date of two of Apple's new product, and I have one of these. So here I have the 8th generation iPad 10.2 inches, and we're gonna do unboxing and see how it's inside. All right, so let's not talk much and let's dig in. All right, so let's see. Boom. Now basically 7th and 8th generation looks the same. There's no visual difference whatsoever. However, the difference is the internal hardware, what it comes with. So let's let the gravity do the work. Okay, come on, gravity, come on, gravity, come on, do the work, come on. Just bear with me guys, okay, bear with me. Ready? 1 2 3, now it's almost there. Boom. Look at this. So here I have this space gray color, and inside I have a power brick and a lightning kit, basic stuff. And here I have the manual, so let's keep it aside and let's just hear the sound. Right, hear the sound. Oh, look at the satisfying noise. Ooh. Okay, dokie. Here we go. So that's it, really. This is the 8th generation iPad, folks, in space gray color. It does come in gold and silver, so nothing different compared to the 7th generation. However, the difference between iPad 7 Gen and iPad 8 Gen 2020 is the power bricks. So here, as you can see, it comes with a lightning adapter with USB-A in it, whilst the new one has a Type-C adapter and it is a fast charger. That's why. So that's the major difference. That's it. So I think it is low bat. That's it. So stay tuned for my next video. Hopefully I will do unboxing of the latest Apple Watch 6 Series 6 as well as SE. So thank you so much and God bless you all. Cheers.